Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, so what you see in front of you here is 2 cups of frozen strawberries. Look at that, right? Yes. So I'm gonna be making, this is a requested video, 2 ingredients sherbet. Yes. But before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is free, healthy recipes and healthy tips. So let's get started. So we added our frozen strawberries, and mine is completely frozen. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Simple, easy. This is 1 serving. Very healthy. You know what's inside of it. Put your food processor on. All right, see that? Looks good. I'm gonna scrape this down a little bit. I will stop my food processor. You're gonna have to stop it once or twice. And this is what it looks like. We are almost at the consistency, which is gonna be a nice, smooth consistency. Scrape it down. Make sure that there is no chunks inside of it. Look at this sherbet's looking good already. Perfect to beat the heat. You want a nice, healthy treat. This is perfect. Trust me, the kids will love it. You're gonna love it. This is for the entire family. Simple, easy, delicious. You know what's inside of it. That's it. We're done. Just gonna take this out. This is the perfect consistency that we need. If you love sherbets, all natural for the entire family, give this video a big thumbs up. Show Maxine's Corner some love by giving this video a big thumbs up. Look at that. I'm going to get my ice cream scooper, and I'm just going to scoop this deliciousness out. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Perfect serving. All right, guys. So here we go. This is what it looks like. And we're going to dig right in. I am telling you, 2 ingredients, sherbet. You cannot beat it, guys. You cannot. I'm telling you, it's completely healthy. All you need is your food processor, or maybe if you have a nice blender, this would do as well. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy.